This might just be the easiest Indian dish to make. I'm talking about Chingri Bhapa, which is prawns marinated in a sauce made by grinding mustard seeds with coconut and chilies. It's cooked to perfection before serving with rice to make a wholesome meal. Horns up and welcome to Meet India, my series where I showcase the best meat and seafood dishes from across the country, one state at a time. Today we're going to the state of West Bengal to make a famous Bengali dish of steamed prawns in a mustard sauce. It's called Shorshe Chingri Bhapa. Shorshe means mustard, Chingri means prawns, and Bhapa is the cooking method, which is to steam the prawns. Now it's traditionally done in a steel tiffin box, but I'm going to be using the microwave to steam the prawns. But anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. We're going to start by taking 1 tablespoon of black mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds and then soaking them in hot water for 2 to 3 hours. I take 1 tablespoon of white poppy seeds and add them to my blender and then blend it to a fine powder. I then add in the strained mustard seeds that we soaked earlier. I also add some de-seeded green chilies because I'm a spice wuss, some dried coconut. I add in some salt, turmeric and sugar and then some water, and then I blend it. You want to grind this to a smooth paste, so add more water as needed. You want to make sure that all the coconut is ground and no pieces are left. Once that's done, pour it out into a microwave safe bowl. To that I will add some yogurt and give it all a good mix. Then I add in my prawns that have been cleaned and deveined. I add some more de-seeded and sliced green chilies for flavor and not heat. And then we cover this with some cling wrap, only to remember that I forgot the mustard oil, so I remove the cling wrap, add the mustard oil and give it a good mix before putting the cling wrap back on. Then pop it into the microwave for about 5 minutes to cook. You can also steam this on the stove or even cook it in a frying pan. Once that's done, open it up and give it all a good mix. You can add a bit of water if you want to thin the curry out, but otherwise this is pretty much ready to go. Serve the Chingri Bhapa with some white rice and that's it. The dish is ready and it's one of the easiest dishes to make, and it looks pretty delicious as well. And as always, you get that front camera angle so that you can get a good look at the dish. And I'm going to show you the prawns and take a bite while you wipe the drool from your face. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste the prawns. And look who's joining me. It's the resident Bengali food expert and lover, Dipti.
Not an expert, definitely a lover.
Also my beautiful wife.
Oh, okay then.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Alright, let's dig in. So I did do something to this. I added a little bit of water just to loosen up the sort of curry. So you can definitely do that as well if you find it too thick. And let's eat. Have you already started?
Of course I have.
Good.
I was going to wait for you.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's so good. I've loved Chingri Bhapa from the first time I ate it. I've been dying for someone to make it for me. Someone hasn't.
I just did.
It's not for me.
Fine. Thanks to Meet India, you've got to eat it.
But it is every bit as amazing as I remember. And I'm amazed. I always thought it was a lot of work. And that I probably would never make it at home. So I'm just really amazed you did. And it's great. It tastes like it did in Kolkata, which is saying something.
Wow. And to be honest, I've never eaten this dish. I've never cooked this dish. And for me, like, it's nice, but it is like you have to really like mustard to enjoy this. Like if you don't like mustard, you just won't be able to eat this.
So it's mustard and yogurt, which is also, and coconut, which is a very strange combination. But it works so well. The mustard is like sinus clearingly strong. But it's really tasty. It's very unique. It's unlike any Indian dish I've ever tried. But you must give it a go. It's just so good.
Yeah, for me, this is like, if you told me this is prawns in a mustard cream sauce almost, I'd believe you. It literally is like that. And
mustard and a coconut cream sauce.
Yeah, but I don't really get the coconut. Like the coconut's there, but it's not.
It's
like
about giving the body and texture and
but there's like, it's not really a coconut flavor. Like you are hit with mustard.
That's because you're not familiar with it. So
is
we
true.
make a lot of South Indian dishes that sort of have the same yogurt and coconut mix.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's more familiar to me than it is to you. But it's delicious, guys. You need to try it.
Anyway, Dipti has given the verdict. It gets the hands up from you.
3-4 hands up.
Awesome. So I hope you guys are going to try this dish. Make it at home. Let me know how it turns out. Let me know if you love it, like it, hate it, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments. But don't tell me if you hate it because Dipti might.
I will find you.
She will find you and take care of you. And not in a good way. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from the two of us. We're going to go and finish this. And I'll see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. And a big thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. You are all awesome people. Thank you so very much for making these videos possible.